In today's movies you never saw, I'm going to tell you a movie called Set It Off. Set It Off is an American crime and heist movie which was released in 1996. It was starred actors like Jada, Pinkett, Vivica Fox, Queen Latifah, and Kimberly Elise. This movie was directed by F.Gary and written by Kate Lanie and Takashi bufford. The story about this movie is about 4 girls who decide to do bank robberies. These girls were from Los Angeles, California. The idea of becoming bank robbers came to each other due to their bad financial situations, wanting to improve their life and help their families, for them and their family to achieve better days. In this movie, the 4 women are named Frankie, Tisean, Cleo and Stony. Now it has been 27 years since this movie was released. I hope you enjoyed this movie as I did. Thank you for watching.